Today we're looking at instant stress relief techniques, natural techniques that take just minutes. So let's get started. And the third one is one that if you're in the supermarket queue, nobody would even notice you're doing it. So if you're trying to be subtle, then it's the perfect one. Okay, so the first one is a basic exercise, and it is you interlock your fingers and you put them behind your neck, behind the back of your head, and then you just have a neutral position where you're looking straight, and then you cast your eyes over as far as possible to the right. Do not move your head, just your eyes. You hold this for 30 to 60 seconds or until you kind of yawn or have a swallow, or for me it's always a kind of a crackling in my ears that tells me that it's done. And you go back to the center, neutral position again, and then do the same with your casting your eyes, only your eyes, over to the left hand side. There we go, a yawn for me. So that's that basic exercise. This is all resetting the vagus nerve, which is the rest, digest and restore function. It is this amazing nerve that goes from your head right down your either sides of your neck, down here and right through to your kind of groin area. So it connects the brain and the body and sensory elements all together, so it helps you to function and to be able to process everything. So when your vagus nerve is working at its best, everything is easier to digest in life. Now, number two is, it's a similar idea. You tilt your head. You're starting on the right hand side here. You tilt your right ear down to your shoulder, and then you cast your eyes up to the opposite left hand side. And you hold this for 30 to 60 seconds, giving yourself a really good stretch in the left hand side, and just keeping your eyes at the opposite diagonal. And again, you come back to the neutral space, and then you put your left ear. The order doesn't matter, just whichever. And then back to neutral. And then the third one is a really simple little one, and it is you get your thumb and you just blow cold air onto your thumb. So for us women out there, it's like when you're trying to dry your fingernails when you're going out and you're in a rush and you don't want to smudge. So it's a kind of blowing down rather than just blowing straight out. So it's like, and that is it. That's it for today. There's more techniques, and I'll be back with more, and my personal favourites, which can't be done on it. Well, I could do it on a leash, but we're not going to do it today. So tune in for more and subscribe.